Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and everybody else, hit that like button. Please comment down there in the bottom if you have any input or ideas about this vehicle. Today we're back on my 2005 Audi A6, also known as my neglected Audi, and I'm going to be working on this corner light here. If you saw my other video on the daytime running light, these sit pretty tucked in into the corner. So what you're going to need is to turn your wheel opposite whatever direction you want, so you can access these two screws. I only got one after 15 years, I'm not surprised. And it should be a 25, a T25. I don't really need to change the bulb. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. It's not that difficult. Now in some models you might have a little plastic panel here that'll give you access, but on this one it doesn't. And this is like a cloth. So once you get that screw out, just peel it back a little bit. Give yourself some room to get in there. Let's see if I can get a light in there. You see where the light is pointing. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Kind of a pain in the butt here with this cover in the way. But you see it right there. That's your corner light right there. You just got to reach in, turn it to the left, and it comes right out. It's a 3457. And the install's just the same. Well, pretty much just reverse what you got to do. Now I'm gonna throw a bonus in here. I'm gonna show you how to remove these. No issues. Don't be scared, just get a good grip on it, and there you go. Now you can get these aftermarket, whatever colors you want, and that's an easy way. Now the other side should be the opposite. That one pulled towards the rear of the vehicle. This one should pull, oh, it's gonna go the same, towards the rear of the vehicle. And when I get ready for the oil change, I'll show you guys how to do that, because it's easier through the bottom, or remove this cover, but it's just easier through the bottom. Once you get the belly pan off, it'll be easier when I get ready to do the oil change on it. Now my bulb isn't faulty, so I don't really have to change it. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. You see the contact points. You can see the hole where it came out of. Right there. Right here. That's the hole it came out of. Now I wish I kind of had the bulbs I wanted to put in. I can't put in because they're the wrong size, so I might just throw them in the DRL spot, just because of the effect that it will have on the chrome here. So stay tuned for that, so we can see how that works out. But thank you all for coming. Please hit up the likes, hit the comments, and please subscribe. When you guys subscribe, you guys are letting me know you like what I got going on, and you expect to see more. So alright guys, be nice to each other. Be safe out there. And spread the love.